Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW E84, this is the X1 BMW, guys. We'll demonstrate on the 6-cylinder engine, but even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, the procedure will be about the same, guys. And you guys have a code P0443 or code P0444. We'll show you guys which device causes that code and how to fix it. Now, quick introduction to the channel, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, specifically on BMWs. Every BMW we get, we make more than probably 400 to 500 videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. That's all we need in return. If you need to buy the part that causes that code, we'll have the link shared in the description of the video below. So let me show you guys, okay, what we have here, guys, and what causes that now. I accidentally dropped that thing. So now, that code, guys, is caused, okay, it's usually caused by this device, which is called Purge control valve. 9 out of 10 times it will be caused by that valve right here, guys. So what this valve does, actually, let me explain now. When you add gasoline in your fuel tank, the gasoline expands and it creates fumes. Those fumes, guys, create pressure, and you have a sensor that detects how much pressure you have in the fuel tank. When that pressure, guys, is enough, the engine computer will send signal to that device to open, and it's going to inject these fumes. Okay, it will inject them right here in the intake manifold of the vehicle. Okay, it will be right there after the throttle body, guys. So it goes directly in the intake manifold. What that does, actually, it's going to, guys, burn the fumes through the engine, and it will make your car more efficient. You will not lose fuel, and most importantly, you will not pollute the atmosphere, and you will not cause pollution, guys. So now, without that valve functioning, if you have emission tests, you will not pass it, guys, if it's not working correctly. So it's very important to have that valve replaced if you have that code, and most of the times that will take care of the problem. Now, if you want to see how to test it, we have a video that explains how to test it. We have it on the channel, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, but for some reason, if I don't, check it out. We have it on the channel, how to test purge control valve solenoid on BMW X1 E84, guys. We'll have it there. And if you want to see how to replace it on a 6-cylinder engine, we have the video as well. Now, 4 cylinders, the location may be very close, but maybe a little bit different. Usually it will connect somewhere on the intake manifold. On the 6-cylinder engine, it's right after the throttle body. So this is it, guys. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.